Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can use Wix to create a website. So let's get started. To begin, go to wix.com, sign up, or log into your account. Once you're in, Wix will ask you what kind of website you want to create, whether it's for a business, portfolio, blog, or e-commerce. You can either choose a template or let Wix ADI Artificial Design Intelligence create a custom website for you based on a few simple questions. If you prefer more control over the design, select the Wix Editor, which offers a drag-and-drop interface to customize your site fully. Once you're in the editor, you can customize your chosen template by clicking on elements like text, images, buttons, and videos. You can change the fonts, colors, and layouts to fit your brand or personal style. Wix allows you to adjust the mobile version of your website separately, ensuring it looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. Next, head to the Pages section to add pages like Home, About, Services, or Contact. You can easily add new pages, and they'll automatically be added to your navigation menu. Wix also lets you add features and apps from the app market to enhance your site, such as booking systems, live chat, or social media integration. For SEO, make sure to fill in the meta title and meta description for each page. Wix has an SEO tool that helps you optimize your site for search engines, which is crucial for better visibility. Additionally, you can set up a custom domain for a more professional look, but this requires a premium plan. When you're happy with your website, hit preview to check it out. If everything looks good, click publish, and your site will be live for the world to see. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribing.